Hi guys! My name is Homer. So this is my our models for today is si Miss Catherine. And this is my assistant si Jeline. Ang gagawin natin ngayon kay Miss Catherine. So sa work niya kasi is ayaw nila ng masyadong lighter yung shades ng hair. So medyo i-tone down natin yung hair niya ng medium brown lang. Then after that is ikikeratin natin siya since nakikita natin medyo wavy na yung hair niya. So yun lang. Balikan nyo kami para sa glow up ni ma'am. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay. So, as you can see guys, kung makikita nyo kay Catherine, nag-a-apply lang tayo ngayon ng keratin treatment para medyo mag-smooth na rin yung ano niya, yung hair niya. So, babad lang natin siya ng mga 15 to 20 minutes. Then, after nun, pwede na siyang i-dry, then i-iron. Okay. Okay guys, this is our final result sa ginawa natin kay Ma'am Catherine kanina. So as you can see, ayan, dinark natin yung hair niya, then kineratin treatment din natin siya para mag-smooth ng konti yung hair niya. Then konting ano lang, side swept bangs lang. Ayun. Miss Catherine, are you happy with the result?
Yes, I'm super happy.
Okay, happy naman si Miss Catherine. If you want this kind of look, you can visit at any branches of our David Salon or you can visit me at SM Sukat David Salon. So guys, please don't forget to click like and subscribe at David Salon YouTube channel. Bye-bye!